Hey, Scotty, what are you playing with?
Jenga, the home game. Sorry, that was just too easy to make a comment on.
Those are Ken's nice new brake lines. Just verifying they're here.
Mr. Nick, there's one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounding rod, I'm looking for water.
I'm confused.
They're bent in half. The bend is going to be here. Same thing with this one. This one goes up front, the bend is in the middle. And so they can fit them in the box.
What's in the box?
What's in the box, bitch? Sorry.
That's 2 for 2 today. I got one, you got one. Now I can't get yelled at today anymore.
God bless it. Go figure, I'm shoving my hand or my arm deep into a box. I'm up to here with you.
That's what he says on all twinks.
One of these things just doesn't belong here.
I'll go home then, whatever.
I'm going home right now.
Oh wait, we got the small ones coming in. Bobby's ready.
Wow.
Hey, dude, I have fixed almost every single issue today. Damn near single-handedly.
It's because he was jerking it with the other hand.
No, I'm not, dude. Since I've done the changes, which I'm not discussing on air, I feel a million times better. I truly do. My blood sugar's down to 118.
I saw that.
Yeah, from 180.
Yeah.
I was pushing close to 200 at some points.
So you've increased your twink intake and
Yes.
reduced your sugar intake.
Well, it depends. Some of them are a little sweet. Sweet for me, but I'm pumped.
Spitters are quitters though, right?
Well, I try not to do anything with a spitter, but I do like giving a penicillin injection.
Jesus. Moving on, while they're playing with hard lines,
But up, bump, bang.
I'm here with the new panhard rod.
Okay, I'm not having you discuss you playing with someone's hard rod on video.
Yeah.
Ooh, daddy. All right, hold your end. Shit.
Work it, girl. Work it, girl. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Wait, there's more.
That's not the first time today Scotty's got something to get hard and straight in his hands.
We don't talk about what happened before you got here. Scotty just ran off a little bit. I got him. No.
What, did you have a 6 a.m. twink appointment?
That was. No, just no.
Oh my god. Glad I got you guys a nice pizza for lunch. Yeah, it's contagious. Okay, this is exciting video because I'm trying to see what Scotty's doing. Okay, back to the panhard rod. Got the nut off here. Gotta pull the bolt here. And we're gonna put this nice adjustable beauty. So if we do a little ride height changes or anything, we can recenter the axle very easily. Fun, fun. All right, boys, looks good. Nice work.
Okay, on that note, Ken, as always, hopefully we made you smile at least a little.
Now Scotty's going back to the Imperial.
Back to wiring hell.
Yay!
At least for a little while longer.
Yes. Mr. Burns?
I'm cleaning up and going home. I'm not feeling 100% today.
Yeah. We'll
Which
carry on
sucks.
in the morning.
Yeah, I'll get back on in the morning. We'll get that steering box out. Now that I know I thought
All the
they were
hard lines
transmission
out.
So I'll get all the brake lines. Gosh, dude, yeah, brake
Buddy,
lines
That's all, folks, right?
out in the morning, and actually started scrubbing the front end, like getting all the gunk, years of gunk.
And Victor's got the control arms and everything?
Yeah, that's all, you know. By tomorrow morning, it's fine, or, you know, because I got cleanup to do, so.
We're not in a huge hurry.
Oh, no. And this is like I've said before, and everybody else has said, this is not a restoration. This is just
This is a restoration.
restoration, yes.
It's a clean up,
Clean up,
tidy up, degrease,
good bushings, good ball joints, safe
fresh
stops.
safety stuff.
We got to put some cool brake system on it. I mean, which you guys,
Right here, Willwood.
yeah. So, yeah. So this is gonna be kind of ready for when the motor and trans is ready to go.
Trans, I gotta go pick up. It's done. I just haven't had 2 seconds to go by Mark's and hand him money.
Yeah.
But easy peasy. I mean, the money's there. It's all done. It's ready to go. I just gotta go by there. But I mean, do we really need it? Because it's gonna be like
Well,
3 to 5 months on the motor.
at least because we're making room in the back here, which we got a blanket back there for anything that can sit back there. So it can technically be set in the back.
Yeah, the car can kind of hold itself.
So, which is a good thing.
Yeah, so we're good.
I'm driving the piss out of this car.
This thing's gonna be cool when it's done. All right. Say later, Bernsey.
Deuces, guys.